Hello everyone, how are you today? In today's video, you'll see how to hide the taskbar, browser tabs, and address bar before screen recording in OBS. Now let me show you over here. This is our browser, Chrome browser. You will see over here we have the taskbar showing. Assuming you want to record, okay, and you don't want the taskbar to show. I'll show you how you do that in OBS, okay? Now, look up here, you'll see the browser tabs. They are all showing. You don't want that to show during recording. Perhaps you don't also want your browser address bar here to show while recording. I'm going to show you how you can apply that setting in OBS. Now, let's go to OBS. So my OBS is open here, and you can see from the screen, you'll see the taskbar is all showing. Come over here, click on the display capture. You see the scene. Come to where we have display capture. Right click on it. Hover your mouse to where you see transform. All right. Now head over to edit transform. Now just come all the way down here. You'll see top, you'll see bottom. Now let's put the top section out. This is the browser top section. Let's make it 116. Now the bottom, let's make this 58. When you type in the numbers, press the enter key on the keyboard. Okay, now if you look up here, you will see now we do have a black section there, meaning that the taskbar is no longer showing. Now let's go back to this section, right click. Now go to transform. Now let's go to where we have fit to screen. So click on fit to screen. If you look down here, we have that section we covered. It's now black color. The top section also is black color, but we don't want that to show. Now let's go back to this point, right click, go to transform. Now hover your mouse to where you see stretch to screen. Now this is what it looks like. Let's go back to our browser and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the browser. Okay, now what we would do is we're going to make recording. When we do recording, we will see if the taskbar, the address bar, browser section is showing. Okay, all right, so you can see that in this video it is just the screen here, the window section that is showing. If we go back to the browser, you would also see that the address bar is not showing, and it's all the section that are showing. Okay, now that's what you can do to set your OBS before you start recording. Perhaps you don't want to show all of those sections during recording. All right. So if it happens that you want to show the address bar of your browser, then you should go back to OBS. So what you can do is you hover back to this section, right click on it, and then go to the transform, go back to edit transform. Okay, and over here you would see this section. Let's change that to 60. Now in doing so, if you put it at 60, okay, you would have taken off the tabs. Okay, so press the enter key when you change that pixel there. So I'll press the enter key. Now what this does, now let's go back, right click, okay, go to transform, go to fit to screen. All right, now you can see we have those black sections. So let's go back, right click, go to transform, and now let's hover to where we have stretch to screen. Now this is better off. Now let's now see what it looks like. All right, you would now notice that the tabs are no longer showing. It is just the browser address that is showing, and of course our taskbar below here isn't showing. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If you did, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and click the video that appears. I'll see you guys in the next one.